Good morning, I am Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. Today, we have this awesome pile of maple and gum, and we have a bucket ready to go so we can take it over to the Axis so we can play with a new toy. Something that's really going to help us out a lot. Let's do it. So what is going on? I hope everybody has been doing awesome. I am doing just super fantastic. Paul Bunyan show was great. I got a new bin set up in front of me, but I can't show you yet. I cut this wood yesterday. Things have been moving in a forward motion, which is good. It's gonna rain here in a little bit. We're gonna have a little bit of a nor'easter come through. So I think I have about an hour, maybe an hour and a half before it's gonna rain on me. So I'm gonna quit yapping. We're going to get my new toy fired up, and we're going to see how fast we can fill this bin up. It's probably gonna take a couple videos, but we're gonna start today, so let's do it. So we just went through, and this is one tractor bucket split. And the conveyor holds one tractor bucket, minus the two pieces that fell, because I did split one round over here yesterday when I got this set up. But check this, guys. We have a new to me Eastonmade STK24. And this was previously K&L Firewoods. After seeing how well Scheib's, Outside with Scheib's conveyor worked at the Hope event, having a Wolfridge 35 SHO box wedge, a 1222 with the box wedge, and me working my tail off trying to keep up with both of those box wedges with my Axis, and we were throwing all the shrapnel, all the garbage, all the slash right into the conveyor just to get it out of away from us and away from our feet. And it was sending everything up the conveyor. Like, it didn't jam once. There were also a couple guys there that run a competitor's equipment, and they were actually impressed as well how well the Eastonmade conveyor is set up. This one here is a dual chain conveyor, which makes things really nice. It's less prone to jamming up with the double chain. These are actually designed to work with the processors. But that's pretty cool, and it speaks volumes when people that are diehard, they run another brand, and this isn't who's better or nothing. I'm just weighing out a few things. When guys that are diehard about that equipment, they say they actually like this one. It's awesome to me. I mean, it's pretty cool. But I've been needing a conveyor for a while, and like I said, after Hope, I reached out to Mike. Mike and I are friends. We've been friends for years. I've drove out 2 years in a row and helped him with the Hoosier Firewood hysteria. We're on a personal level. This isn't like, hey, we're just YouTube people, like, we're friends. And I said, hey, would you take this offer if I come out to Indiana and pick this up? And he was like, well, how about this? I'll take your offer and I'll bring it to Paul Bunyan. So I was going to turn and burn. Indiana, I think, is about 11 and a half hours from me. I was going to turn and burn and just go there, pick it up on a Friday morning and turn right back around and be home Saturday morning. I'm glad I didn't have to do that, so thank you, Mike, for saving me, a lot of time traveling. But yeah, I am still intending on fixing the red conveyor. I do have about $1,000 worth of parts coming for that thing. It might get gifted to the next guy. Brad had said something about he might need it back. We'll see what happens and when I can get it fixed, when I have time to. But like I said earlier, we are expecting a nor'easter in the next couple hours. I'm going to go ahead and continue splitting and see how much I could get done today. I know this isn't all going to get done, but yeah, what do you guys think, man? I've needed one of these for a while. I'm super stoked that I have all matching equipment still. My preferred brand is this brand. Doesn't have to be yours. Everything splits wood. This stuff just makes me happy, so that's why I buy it. That's pretty impressive, eh? Well, some days you can get a lot done, and other days it just starts raining on you. I got 2 buckets split. It's not cool because I wanted to get a bunch of this stuff done today. But dude, hands down, STK24. This thing is the cat's meow, guys. This thing is going to help streamline my process a lot. And yeah, I got a new bin done. Oh yeah, I think I mentioned it when I was building this, but Chris in the woodyard made a video like 2 days before I built this, and he reminded me that I needed to put an air gap in the center here. So we got that in here this time. And this is a lot of sweet gum. A lot of people don't like sweet gum because it splits like this. Ugh. You know, it's super stringy. That's not really a good piece. Or this one, you know, it's not real pretty. The Axis makes it pretty easy to split, but it's still a good wood. Just a lot of people don't like it because it splits so harshly. It's still at 21.6 million BTUs per cord, which is better than cherry at 20 million.8. So yeah, I mean, there's all kinds of different things out there and different BTU ratings for wood, and gum is still up there above the 20 million BTUs, so it's good for me. Guys, that's all I got today. Quick little video. Next video we'll come back and we'll hammer a lot of this stuff out, and then I got to get cutting on something else. I don't know what I'll get into. Take care of each other. Thank you so much for watching. K&L, Mike, thank you for a good deal on the conveyor. Eastonmade, thank you for making my favorite equipment in the world. I think I need a hopper over here next though, guys. Wouldn't a hopper look a lot better than this tractor bucket? We'll see you soon. Take care of each other.